The Sad Lion. Once there was an old lion. He had grown weak and he could not hunt. Soon he had nothing to eat and he grew weaker every day. He was unable to move and he lay quietly in his den. A boar entered his den one day. Finding the lion helpless, he hit him with his tusk and went away. The lion lay quiet, unable to move. The next day, a bull entered the lion's den. He hit the lion with his horns to satisfy his grudge. Then he went away. The lion suffered in silence. The next day, a donkey was passing by the lion's den. He saw that the lion was lying there helpless. He kicked the lion. The lion said, "The boar and the bull hit me, and I survived, but I am dying twice in the knowledge that a foolish creature like you is able to hurt me." The Bragging Bear. One day, a bear and a fox met in the jungle. They usually met every other day and chatted about all things under the sun. This time, they were discussing about the human race. The bear was bragging about how much he liked humans. "I have immense respect for humans and love them a lot," he said. The fox said, "They are selfish. Remember that hunter in a leopard's skin?" The bear replied, "Well, I'm not afraid of human beings at all. I have befriended many of them. They are not scared of me and consider me a friend," said the bear. The fox was listening to the bear without blinking an eye. Then the bear said, "I don't harm humans even when they are dead." Then the fox said, "It's good that you respect humans, but you should never wait for someone to die so that you may show respect." No fear when familiar. A fox was roaming near some bushes. Suddenly, he saw a huge animal with a bushy mane. When the animal roared loudly, the fox almost fainted. He was dizzy and ran away as fast as his legs could carry him. On the way, he met a squirrel and told him what had happened. The squirrel laughed and said, "That's our king, the lion." After a few days, the fox saw the lion again, but he did not faint. He saw the lion from a distance and then walked away. When the fox met the lion for the third time, he saw the lion and greeted him. "Good morning, Your Majesty," he said. The lion smiled at him. Then the fox met the lion again. He went up to him and spoke to him. He was no longer afraid of the lion. With each meeting, the lion seemed more familiar. Familiarity brings courage. The Rooster and the Ring. There was a rooster who lived with a farmer. Every day, the farmer would feed him grains. Once, the farmer had to leave for the neighboring village. He left his rooster with his neighbor. "Please feed him while I am away," said the farmer. But the neighbor let the rooster roam around the backyard without feeding him anything. The rooster was hungry and he went around pecking at the ground eating insects. He scratched the soil while looking for seeds to eat. Just then, he found a gold ring studded with a diamond. The rooster looked at it for a long time and thought, "This precious ring can make anyone rich, but I cannot eat it. I am hungry, and a bowl of corn is more precious than a handful of jewels right now." He tossed the ring away and began digging elsewhere. Precious things matter only if they are useful.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.